Hi guys, welcome back to Caramella's Corner. I'm back with another summer happy mail, and this time it's from my dear crafty friend and fellow YouTuber Crafty Mermaid Mom. Also joining me today, say hi to my daughter Emma.
Hi!
So she'll be joining me with the unboxing. If you haven't seen our previous post, please make sure to check out our video. Emma helped me out unbox some summer happy mail from my dear snail mail friend Sandra. You have to see the summer embellishment box she sent and all the other goodies. So now let's have a look. It says fragile here at the top, and look at this beautiful Hawaiian theme tape here. So excited. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
I have a letter. Wait a minute. Let's read that. Look at this beautiful card. Love it. Let me read this off camera. Oh my goodness, you guys. Hold on. Opening the card. Gotta read it.
It's a really pretty card.
Oh, Dolly. Well, here we... Okay, this is in regards to the project she had sent me. So I will first take out some of the items. Oh my god, is this the notebook? This is beautiful. We will show you that in the end. Hold on, let me just pull out some stuff. Look at...
Oh, can I help?
Sure, yes.
Ooh. Oh, wow.
Wow. Look at all these. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Hello Kitty!
Emma spies a Hello Kitty over there.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to be very careful with this one. It looks like it's really nicely wrapped, so I'm going to put that aside. And again, we are going to put some of the items here. So let's start with what Emma spied. Go ahead and show them.
The Pez stuff.
It's a pest dispenser. Look how adorable this is. I love the glasses on her. There's not only one, but two, and it has My Melody. I love this.
I love that see-through. Like,
I love that. That is so cute. We'll have to try it. It has 3 different flavors on each one of them. Love this. I love to carry this in our purse or backpacks if you need something nice.
I love that this one has glasses.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Look, Ems.
That's
Look at
so
those
fancy.
pens. I haven't been to Daiso in a while, so this is such a pleasant surprise to see. Look at these royal looking pens. Do you have a set of 2? Dolly, this is so sweet. Thank you. Let's have a look. More washi. I love washi. Here we go. We have like a spring theme here with butterflies. Look at that. Some blue glitter.
It's so pretty.
Very nice. Oh, I love the way she wraps again. Look at this. More goodies. Want to help you with this one? Okay. So go ahead. Let's take out the item.
I like these. Oh.
Put it there, and then pull it out, and then put it on the table.
I got 2.
Oh, wow.
They're so minuscule.
Wow, look at these. So here we have a box filled with a variety of buttons, beads, sequins, pearls, and some trim. How adorable is this? And I love that it's already organized for you. You can just put it in your drawer and start working. And then we have some clothespins again with beautiful colors of lavender.
I love the blue one.
You like the blue?
They're so nice.
Yeah, and then we have green and pink. And look at these, Emmy. That'll be perfect for friendship bracelets. So many projects, yeah. Let's have a look and see. Look at this envelope.
What do you call it? Envelope.
That is so pretty. Let's have a look and see what's hidden inside this. Oh, wow. Oh, Dolly, this is so many goodies.
I love how this looks.
I'm just, oh, this is so cute.
It's fabric.
Love it. Look at that. And we have our backyard table, little 6x6 paper pad. Very nice page. And they're also double-sided, which is great when you make tags.
That's so
And oh, look at that, journaling.
I love the gumball machine and the
Isn't that
donut
cute?
and the cupcake and all of it. It's so cute.
And I can never have enough of alpha stickers. We always use this. Very cute. I love it.
They're so adorable.
And has several pages, and it has numbers too.
I like the mini ones. The mini, like
That
that
is so
lower
cool.
cute. Those look cute. Very cute.
Oh, this is so sweet. Dolly! I love to color, and this is so nice. The kids and I and the family are hopefully dreaming of one day going to Japan. Look at this, 7 designs to help you de-stress. Shall we look inside, Ems?
Yes.
Have a look.
I'm quite cute.
It's so cool. So let's have a look inside. Look at these. Oh, wow.
They're so...
And they're double-sided too. Look at that. So we're gonna flip through real quick.
They're so nice.
So nice. So much coloring. Oh, I saw some koi fish there.
Oh,
Isn't that pretty?
the quiz. Oh, they're so cute. I'm probably gonna color them.
Yeah.
Right after the video.
Love it. Dolly, thank you. Okay, now let's get to the swap projects that we had decided to do. So for a change, instead of doing pocket letters or flip books and embellishment boxes, we wanted to challenge ourselves. There's so much inspiration online, so we thought, why don't we do an altered something? So one of them was a notebook, and the other one was to choose an item that we could alter and make into a pin cushion. And on top of that, we needed to make some stick pins. So let's have a look and see. I think this is the item. So let's pull it out and see. Okay, so here let's have a look at this beautiful pin cushion. I love tea parties, and anything with a tea theme is beautiful. I don't know if I should take this off. I'm not sure. That's just part of the... Let's see.
Maybe.
Oh yes, I have to take it off. Okay.
It's a teacup.
Wow, so gorgeous, Dolly. This is so pretty. Hold on. I might have to cut this ribbon off so we can share with everyone this beautiful piece here. Thank you, Emmy.
You're welcome.
Look how pretty. Look at this plate and the way she decorated here. We have some pearls at the bottom there. And I love this. And so she included some of these gorgeous stick pins. Let's have a look. So you put it in. Look how pretty.
It looks like it's a diamond at the top.
Isn't that nice? And then we have one with pearls. How adorable. Let's have a look and see. This is so pretty. Dolly, oh my gosh. Take a look at that. That is so pretty. I cannot wait to use this when I do my sewing projects. And look how pretty it is as a decorative piece on your table. I love it. Here's a full view. And look at that flower, Ems. That's so pretty. Dolly, thank you so much. I can't wait to use this and put it in addition to all my other desk decors. Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna have a look at the final piece for our summer swap. I'll put that on the side there. Look at this gorgeous altered notebook. Love it. Dolly, this is so pretty. I love the dress. And we have this beautiful lace and this flowers. And look at this beautiful card. These are so pretty, Ems. Look at how shiny. I love the way she dressed the spine here.
And you have some of these.
Yeah. Okay, now let's have a look inside. I love feathers.
They're so pretty.
And we have a pocket with a few journal cards. I love that. I see. Okay, she applied some paint. Oh, she worked on more than one page. Oh my goodness. Look, some cute little journal cards. Happiness is all around you. I love it. She had some dye there. Let's look. Oh, how cute. I love this. A little envelope, a little piece here is a pocket. We have a paper bag, that is. And then here we go. Skip, the laundry spring is here. How cute. We'll put that in there.
Spring will do your laundry and tie it up.
And we also have another side pocket here. Ems, want to pull out the journal cards?
Yes.
Love the lavender color and the florals. What does it say?
You are my sunshine on a rainy day.
I love it. And look at the back of that card. Let's have a look at the second one.
Grow, grow, grow.
Oh, I love this. I can definitely use this for spring journaling. I love it. More pages. Wow, you worked on so many pages. Flamingo, so cute. Let's see. Oh, that's so precious. Let's have a look. Oh, I like that. So we can put a photo mat here, so put a picture there.
There might be something on the back though.
I don't know, let's have a look. Yeah, you can definitely flip it up.
Ooh, that looks so nice.
Good call on that, Ems. And then we can put more journaling stuff. Wow, she worked on so many pages. I love this. And here's another one. I love it. Look at this. Isn't that super cute?
It says love life and life will love you back.
Aww. And here's another one. A smile is a curve that sets everything straight. That is so true. Love it. So let's see. Another pocket here with a beautiful journal card. I love that.
That's so cute.
Oh, I love this. You can see right, kind of like a vellum look here. With a beautiful tag. Look how pretty that tag is. Nice. Another pocket. And I love these vellum envelopes. We have more of these journal cards. I can always use them. And they are back to back too with prints. So you can pick which side you want to use.
I like the one that says green.
Yeah, that's really pretty. Let's see what else. It's so many pages. And we have another pocket here. One more. Look at that.
That's really
That is
pretty.
a gorgeous card. So pretty. So many surprises on each page. This just happened. Look at this. Wow. That's so pretty. Oh, tea time.
I know. And
then look at that butterfly. That's so pretty. So put that back in. I love this. This is really perfect for journaling because you can fill out the pages, put some notes here, and even use some of the note cards to write to people. I love the pockets, more pockets with a paisley print. That's so pretty. Ooh, I like this doily look.
And we're almost at the end of the book.
Another one on the other side. That's
It's
so
actually
cool.
the same one and it's folded.
Oh yeah, that's so cool. Starry, starry night.
I love this stuff.
That's pretty. Love this. That's so nice.
I know.
And here is the back. It also matches the front of our cover. I just love this lace and the pearls. It just makes it look so pretty. Love it. Thank you so much, Dolly. Love, love, love. So we're at the end of that summer unboxing for this swap with Dolly. Thank you so much, Emmy. Which one's your favorite project here?
I like this one and this one the best.
Yes, I agree. I love it. Dolly, again, want to say thank you. I can't wait for you to see the package I had sent to you. I hope you like it as well. I love, love, love everything. Can't wait to start journaling in this beautiful altered notebook and start using this pin cushion and of course start new projects. This whole stash here is filled with more inspiration. If you haven't seen Dolly's channel, make sure to check her out at Crafty Mermaid Mom. I'll put her link at the end of the video. Thanks again for watching Cara Mia's Corner. See you next time.
Bye.